Ayan si Minggoy. Ang dungis niya, oh, mga friends ko. Ang dungis ang bunggoy ko dito sa Israel. Makulit to eh. Oh, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang dungis po niya, oh. Lagi ko yan pinupunasan. Yan si Minggoy. Nang chichiks kasi. Ba't ka nagchichiks? Bakit nagchichiks ka? Ayan. Ayan po siya. Ayan, si Minggoy. Hmm? Hmm? Busog ka na, 'di ba? Busog ka na? Sarap ng pagkain mo, tuna. Tuna ang pagkain niya ngayon. Oh, 'di ba?
Si Marilyn, hi! So everybody, may I invite you all, so please stand up. Or sa wikang Tagalog po ang lahat po muna ay magsitayo. Okay, dahil sa pagdating po ng ating birthday celebrant na si King, sabay-sabay po natin siya kakantahan ng happy birthday ng malakas at ng nasigla. Okay. So enjoy and wonderful day to everyone. Welcome dear family and friends and guests to this fun-filled celebration here at Jollibee, Potrero, Malabon. Today, we're not just celebrating any ordinary day because this day marks a very special milestone in the life of one adorable little boy. Get ready for your smiles and cheers as we celebrate the first birthday of our beloved baby Kane Milan. For one whole year, Kane has brought so much love, laughter, and happiness to everyone around him. And today, it's all about celebrating that joy together. So, enjoy an afternoon full of games, surprises, and Jollibee fun because this party is just getting started. So, sabay-sabay po nating sasalubungin ang pagdating sa pinaka-sexy at pinakamaganda na si Mami Maui together with pinaka-mapo at pinaka-macho na si Daddy Christian together with our birthday celebrant, no other than King Mela!